Other business headlines we're watching today. Elon Musk could testify as early as today in a trial examining his combination of Tesla and SolarCity in 2016. Musk was chairman of both companies at the time, and plaintiffs, including pension funds, say the $2.1 billion deal was designed to bail out the unprofitable solar business. Tesla's other board members agreed to pay $60 million last year in a settlement tied to the deal, although they denied wrongdoing. That amount, by the way, was paid by insurance. A fundraising round for Flipkart values the Indian e-commerce retailer at $37.6 billion. The main owner, Walmart, as well as returning shareholder SoftBank, plus Tencent and sovereign wealth funds, contributed a total of $3.6 billion to this latest round. Walmart bought a majority of the company in 2018 for $16 billion and has been working toward an IPO, which could happen next year. In other retail deal news, Nordstrom bought a minority stake in 4 brands owned by Asos, the UK retailer. Nordstrom's going to sell Topshop, Topman, Miss Selfridge, and HIIT on its website and in its 350 stores. Asos bought those brands in March following the collapse of Sir Philip Green's retail conglomerate Arcadia last year. The financial terms between Nordstrom and Asos, by the way, were not disclosed, but just latest in Nordstrom's moves in particular, which have been interesting to sort of branch out beyond its core business, buying things like Trunk Club along the way. So, Saz, I know that's something you've been watching as we've been seeing Nordstrom sort of branch out into different businesses.
Yeah, right, Julie. And Nordstrom is no stranger to making acquisitions. To your point, in 2014, they bought Trunk Club. They have since rebranded it Nordstrom Trunk Club. They were in front of, I would say, the trend towards subscription services. So they went out and did that. And in February of 2011, they came out and they bought Hotlock. Now they have since closed down that brand and integrated that flash sale business model into their Nordstrom Rack business. But overall, it's hard to argue with a company spending a department store trying to get cooler, trying to reach a younger audience, getting to more fashionable wares. That makes sense to me. Ultimately, we're talking to Nordstrom CEO Eric Nordstrom later in the week. I will ask him all about this, and I'll report back to you, Julie.
Sounds good.